Hey, math fans, we're on section 2.5.1. Let's get started. This section's about graphing linear functions. We've been graphing linear functions for a while now, but specifically this section is really dealing with how do you graph using intercepts. So we're going to be specifically finding the y-intercept and the x-intercept. Of course, we'll still be working with the slope and making a table if we need to. Given the function f of x equals negative 4 over 3x plus 4, solve for the x and y intercepts. Use the intercepts to graph the function. So graphing using intercepts is really super easy. If you want the y-intercept, all you have to do is substitute in 0 for x, or find the value, what is f of 0? And as you can see, negative 4 over 3 times 0 is going to be 0, plus 4, your y-intercept is 4, or it will be at 0, 4. Finding the x-intercept's more tricky. Instead of plugging in 0 for x, we're going to plug in 0 for y and solve for x. And as you can see, I plugged in 0 on the right-hand side of the screen, and now I'm going to solve for x. I've subtracted 4 from both sides, and I get negative 4 equals negative 4 over 3x. I'm going to multiply both sides now by 3. What this will do is that will eliminate the 3 in the denominator on the right-hand side. And then I'm going to have 3 times negative 4, which is negative 12, is equal to negative 4x. And now I'm going to divide by negative 4, and I'm going to get 3, positive 3. And that is my x-intercept at 3, 0. Once you have the y-intercept and once you have the x-intercept, all you need to do is connect those 2 points, because all you need are 2 points to make a straight line. And as you can see, it's also following the rules of the slope. Okay, the rate of change for this is it's going to be decreasing by 4 as it's going to the right by 3, which is remaining consistent for this particular graph. Given the function f of x is equal to negative 1 over 8x plus 20, graph the function using technology, identify the intercepts. I'm going to assume you already know how to use Desmos and technology, so I just want to do one more where we're finding the intercepts, so watch closely. So once again, to find the y-intercept, you substitute 0 for x. To find the x-intercept, you substitute 0 for y. And the y-intercept is by far easier to find than the x-intercept. The x-intercept here, we're going to have to multiply by 8. We're going to get negative 160 is equal to negative x. So x is going to be equal to positive 160, which is the x-intercept will be 160, 0. And using Desmos, here's the graph. Again, 0, 20, 160, 0. All you need are 2 points, and you can graph a line. So you have 3 choices. Make a table, use slope-intercept form, or use the x and y intercepts to graph. And that's going to do it for this section. We'll see you in class.